Welcome to Bowie.
Welcome to your new job at Aries.
I'm excited for us to be in this new adventure as business partners.
Let's jump right in. Starting out, we need you to help us allocate our Juxta Alpha suitcase inventory among our retailers for next month.
We need your help preparing for a product relaunch. Just help us create a new positioning statement and value proposition.
You will run the day-to-day business operations. Be sure to make the necessary accounting transactions. I'll send an email with the invoices, so check your inbox for them. I plan to send invoices and other business correspondence to your inbox regularly, so be sure to check it often.
On top of that,
Don't forget to check your notifications hub.
It's important to answer any questions that may come from future entrepreneurs, aspiring business owners, or former classmates.
consider these learning and relationship building opportunities.
Again, welcome to the team.
You've got this.
Best of luck.